We've all felt it. A little tension in your morning walk. By noon, a dull ache in your hips. By dinner, your lower back is protesting. In the world of wellness, we call this the kinetic chain. When your foundation is out of sync, the rest of your body overcompensates. It's a domino effect that turns even a simple stroll into a daily challenge. Meet Signal Step, the world's first drug-free shoe inserts powered by signal relief technology. More than just a cushion, Signal Step uses physician-tested technology to provide targeted relief for your feet. It's durable, drug-free, and designed to help you actually feel better. Here's how it works. Your body communicates discomfort through electrical signals. When you're hurting, those signals become noisy. Signal Step uses an array of microscopic particles that act like a bio-antenna. It detects those chaotic signals and redirects them, quieting the noise before it reaches your brain. While others rely on basic foam, Signal Step inserts add a soothing layer of technology that actively helps your body find its balance. Using Signal Step is simple. 1. Position the inserts. Place your Signal Step inserts inside your shoe, ensuring the rounded edge is aligned against the heel. Signal Step is extremely low profile. Wear it for a few minutes, and aside from the relief you feel, you'll barely even notice it's there. 2. Secure it in place. If you are using Signal Step for high-impact activity or long-term wear, or if you find the insert moving with use, apply an optional adhesive to the bottom of the insert before placing it in your shoe. 3. Step into relief. Put your shoes on and go about your day as usual. Only now, with less discomfort. Feel relief in as little as 15 minutes. Enjoy the comfort with every stride. Shop Signal Step today and feel the difference for yourself. We guarantee you'll love it, or your money back. Have questions? Reach out to our customer service team for personalized placement advice and more.